In today's fast-paced business environment, flexibility and accessibility are no longer luxuries but necessities. Business owners, especially those managing payroll, often find themselves needing to access critical information and perform essential tasks while away from their desks. This is particularly true for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, that often rely on streamlined, affordable solutions like Patriot software for their payroll and accounting needs. So, a common and very practical question arises. Is there a Patriot mobile app? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that yes, Patriot software does offer a mobile app specifically designed for employees. However, it's important to understand its scope and functionality to manage your expectations as a business owner or payroll administrator. Patriot software launched its My Patriot mobile app primarily to serve employees whose employers use Patriot's payroll and/or time and attendance software. This app is available for download on both the Apple App Store for iPhones and the Google Play Store for Android phones. What the My Patriot mobile app offers employees. The My Patriot app is a fantastic tool for employees, designed to put essential information and common tasks directly into their hands. This significantly reduces the administrative burden on employers and provides employees with greater self-service capabilities. Here's a look at its key features. Pay stub access. This is a major convenience. Employees can view their current and past pay stubs directly on their mobile device, anytime, anywhere. This eliminates the need to print and distribute paper stubs or for employees to constantly request copies. They can see a detailed breakdown of their gross pay, deductions, taxes, and net pay. Time tracking and time cards. For hourly employees, or any employee whose time is tracked for payroll, this is a game changer. The app allows employees to punch in and out. Employees can clock in and out directly from their phone, which is especially useful for remote or field-based workers. Track hours manually. If punching in isn't feasible, employees can manually enter their work hours. View and manage time cards. They can review their current and past time cards, ensuring accuracy before submission. Leave notes on time cards. This allows for clear communication with managers regarding specific shifts or tasks. Duplicate time cards. Salaried employees with consistent schedules can easily clone hours to future time cards, saving time on repetitive entries. Time off tracking. Employees can view their available time off balances, like vacation or sick leave, directly in the app. Personal information management. Employees can view and, in some cases, update their personal information, such as their home address, contact details, and even federal tax withholding information, W-4. This empowers employees to keep their records up to date, reducing data entry errors for the employer. End-of-year tax forms, W-2s at tax time. Employees can conveniently access their W-2 forms through the app. This provides immediate access to crucial tax documents and streamlines the tax filing process for both employees and the business. Push notifications. The app can be configured to send push notifications for various events, such as when a new pay stub is available, reminding employees to clock and slash out, or other important payroll-related updates. What about employers and payroll administrators? While the My Patriot app is robust for employees, it's crucial to note that it is not designed for employers or payroll administrators to run payroll or manage comprehensive accounting functions from their mobile device. For business owners and payroll administrators, Patriot software's main platform is web-based. This means that you can access the full suite of Patriot's payroll and accounting features through your mobile device's web browser. Patriot's web interface is designed to be responsive, meaning it adapts and formats correctly to fit various screen sizes, from desktops to tablets and smartphones. So, while there isn't a dedicated employer mobile app for running full payroll cycles, employers can still log in via mobile browser, access their Patriot software account using their phone or tablet's web browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari, review payroll information, check payroll summaries, employee details and reports, approve time cards, review and approve submitted time cards from employees using the My Patriot app, manage basic tasks, perform certain administrative tasks that are optimized for the mobile web interface. However, for the full, complex process of setting up payroll, running complete payroll batches, filing taxes, or managing accounting ledgers, the desktop or laptop web interface remains the primary and most efficient platform. Why this approach makes sense? From an expert's view. From an accounting software and project management perspective, Patriot's approach to mobile access is a practical one. Specialized functionality. Developing a comprehensive, fully functional payroll and accounting app for administrators that replicates the desktop experience is a massive undertaking. It's often more efficient for the core, complex tasks to reside on a platform with a larger screen and more robust input capabilities. Employee empowerment. By focusing their dedicated mobile app on employee self-service, Patriot empowers employees to manage their own time and access their pay information. This reduces direct inquiries to HR or payroll departments, saving businesses valuable time. Mobile-friendly web experience. Ensuring the main web application is responsive and mobile-friendly provides a solid fallback for administrators who need to quickly check something or perform a basic task on the go, without the need for a separate, often limited, app. Security and compliance. Payroll involves highly sensitive data and strict compliance requirements. A web-based platform, with its robust security protocols, can sometimes offer a more controlled environment for these critical operations than a generic mobile app.